Welcome back to SK Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro for free. This is one of the best virtualization softwares used to install and test multiple operating systems, like Windows, Linux, and now it's free for personal use. First, open your browser and search for Workstation Pro. Make sure to click on the official website. I have put the direct link in comment section. Once the page is loaded, scroll down, click on VMware Workstation Pro. If you're using your Linux operating system, then you will need to download VMware Fusion instead. Now you will be redirected to Broadcom website. In here you'll need to create an account to proceed. Click on Registers to start account creation process. Enter your email ID and type the CAPTCHA in the relevant box and click Next. You will receive an OTP in your email. Enter the OTP and click Continue. Fill in all the information to complete the registration process. Go back to the previous page and click on VMware Pro Download. You will need to log in with your newly created username and password and submit. Now you will see the list of downloadable softwares. Click on the latest version of VMware and then you need to click on the license agreement to start download. And then finally you will be required to enter the following information as trade compliance verification. Now click on the download option and your download will start. Once download is complete, as usual you can start the installation. The installation process is pretty simple. That's all for today. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to create more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching.